Hi, my name is Kaldan Doma. I'm a motivational speaker and a life coach. Uh, as a life coach, I get people coming from different walks of life. So today I would talk about relationship because I think this is a very important part of human life, to have relationship. And your relationship can be of different kinds with different people, from your colleagues to your lovers to your wife. And I think it's really important to understand that when you are dealing with other person, remember that don't force your point of view on other people, because how you see things may not be that important or may not be the way they see things. So respect other people's perception in a relationship, whichever it is, whether it's your friend, whether it's your lover or your girlfriend or your wife or your parents. Respect people in your relationship. Do little things in your relationship, and like taking a dustbin out, your mom will be happy, your wife will be happy, very happy. And clean the diapers of the babies. That would be really nice for your partners. Then cook sometimes something delicious for anyone, whether it's your friend even, it doesn't matter. And it would be lovely if you have the power of listening. Listen to other people, what they're saying to you. Not hear, but listen. And when you're listening, make sure you're not using your mobiles or computer or watching TV. Shut all that and sit down and communicate eye to eye and listen to what the other person is saying. This way you will gain respect from that person. Communication skills are really important these days, and we are losing it. People usually send SMS. That doesn't help, because sometimes it is good to sit down and talk about, maybe the person wants to talk something personal, something he is going through, something she is going through. So it is important that you give the time and minute and second to sit down and listen and talk to this person. And do these little things. You don't have to give or do big things to make other person happy. As I said, do little things. You can get your wife a flower, a surprise flower. Maybe it's just one flower, and it can be from your garden, if you're that cheap. Anyway, and if you want to, cook something delicious that the person likes. Because you see, the person might not be there as much as you think they will be there. You might get angry with this person, hate this person. Ask yourself, how long time do you have on this earth, in this body that you are in? We are not immortals, so we will die and we will perish. You don't know who's going to die first and who's going to die later. So keep this in mind, really, every day in your life. Keep this in mind, that death is very powerful, and it can come anytime, anywhere. So love the person, cherish the person, respect the person that is in your life. And it would make a huge difference in your relationship, the tips I have given you. And these are really basic ones I'm giving you. So I do workshops and of course coaching on relationships. And if you want to join, you can go and go on my website. We have contact list there. Just contact me there. We will get back to you as we do the booking immediately there. So there's no problem there. If you need my help, do go and contact us. And of course, you have me on channel, so subscribe my channel, like my channel, share my channel. This will also help all the other people in the world in getting the message out. My intention is to get the message out, and you can help me do that. So I would say thank you for subscribing, and I'm really grateful for all my subscribers. Thank you so much.